directing the staff to give 1000 rupees as contribution towards Republic Day celebration. Collector is a very responsible officer. The collector is an IAS officer, and I think the collector knows the powers and jurisdiction, even the power to issue such an order. It is completely financial mismanagement which is being done. कोणाचे नावांक पैसे काटले, कोण रिसीट दितलो, कोण अकाउंटेबिलिटी कोतलो, आणि पैसे एक्सेस जाल्यार कित कोतले तुमी? पार्टी करपाक पैसे हाडटात, सरकार पैसे मोडना. हांवें असेंब्लीन काडला इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंटाक पैसे कितले कोट्यांनी मोडटात आणि रिपब्लीक डे सेलिब्रेट करपाक पैसे ना. What kind of administration is this? How could the collector have even issued such a written direction? And what if the officers don't comply? You will transfer them, you will punish them. I demand that the collector South Goa should withdraw this order immediately.
It is for entire South Goa or only for collectorates?
See, the order has been published on the website of some news channels. It asks the staff of the collectorate to give that money, whoever it is, and it's by an order. You understand it? I can understand. I'm having this thing. Can you help me? But that is for a charitable cause or something like that, not for having parties.
Yeah. So it's 1,000 rupees, no?
You count 1,000. Kitli employees are there? Lakhani jatle there.
Is it for a celebration for 26?
It's written there. It's for celebrating Republic Day in a grand manner. It's completely wrong. Count receipt ditlo. आणि हुंयचे अकाउंटाक वयतले पैसे